Madhya Pradesh government plans Sanskrit only play schools. Bengal postpones 2021 final exams till June. Delhi school principals are against cancelling nursery admissions for next year. Tripura orders resumption of classes 9 and 11. Karnataka schools prepare for reopening. SSC and HSC supplementary exam results declared. Bombay High Court relief for Kolaba special school against eviction order. Government's decision to not conduct board exams till February 2021 has brought clarity, says Delhi school principal. Gujarat raises age limit for class 1 admission to 6 years from 2023 to 24 academic session. Gujarat government to upgrade 50% schools as schools of excellence.
Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are:
From the next academic session, every district in Madhya Pradesh will have a play school where the mode of education would be Sanskrit, said the State Education Minister on Tuesday. The School Education Department is going to introduce first of its kind play schools being developed on the concept of a chain of Chinese play school where students of class LKG and UKG will be taught speaking etiquettes, shlokas and names of different objects in Sanskrit language only. The final examinations of the West Bengal Government Secondary and Higher Secondary Boards will be held in June 2021, State Education Minister Partha Chatterjee announced on Wednesday. The syllabus for both secondary and higher education have already been reduced by more than 30% to reduce pressure on students. The qualifying examinations for both tests have also been done away with. Principals of schools in Delhi are not in favor of cancelling nursery admissions for next year in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, even as the government says that no final decision has been taken yet in this regard. According to a senior Delhi government official, since the schools have been closed since 9 months due to the pandemic and will continue to remain closed till a vaccine is available, a whole year of online learning for small children seems unviable. Nearly 20 days after the reopening of colleges and schools for the students of classes 10 and 12, the Tripura Education Department has announced resumption of classes for students in Standard 9 and 11 from December 28, stating that the COVID-19 situation in the state is under control. A notification issued by the Joint Secretary of Secondary Education Saju Waheed on Tuesday said, as it reveals that the situation of COVID-19 is under control in the state, the students of classes 9th and 11th shall be allowed to attend schools from 28 December 2020. With classes 10 and 12 to resume offline lessons from January 1st, interdepartmental coordination for the reopening is underway. Terming the SSLC exams a trailer, Minister of Primary and Secondary Education Suresh Kumar said that the bigger picture is reopening schools amidst the pandemic. He convened a meeting with ZP CEOs, Deputy Directors of Public Instruction and Block Education Officers on Wednesday to discuss preparations. SOPs have been convened to Taluk officers and will be communicated to the cluster level in 3 or 4 days, he said. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education declared the results of classes 10 and 12 supplementary exams on Wednesday. In the SSC exams, the state recorded 32.6% result, a jump of about 10% points from that of 2019. Mumbai division, which also consists of Thane, Raigad and Palghar, recorded 29.88% result, also witnessing a similar rise in the past percentage. This year, a total of 41,397 students had appeared for the exams from the state. In a relief to a Kolaba-based school for special children, the Bombay High Court has directed the Army Estate Officer to consider an eviction order issued by him on November 20th to the institute. The order had asked the school to vacate the premise on the grounds that the land belonged to the army. A division bench of Justice Nitin Jamdar and Justice Milind Jadhav, while hearing the petition filed by the Able Disabled All People Together, was informed by the advocates Sunil Sen and Shruvo De that a state officer had issued a showcase notice on July 20th and an eviction order passed under the Public Premises Act 1971 was sent 4 months later. School principals in Delhi believe that the government's announcement of not conducting board exams till February 2021 has brought some clarity for them, and they will have to prepare students accordingly. Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal had on Tuesday ruled out conducting board examinations for classes 10 and 12 till February next year in view of the COVID-19 situation. As per the latest information from the board, the examination dates will be announced soon and students' own schools will not be their examination centers, said Alka Kapoor, principal of Modern School, Shalimar Bagh. The Gujarat Education Department has raised the age limit for admissions to Class 1 from the current 5 years to 6 years from the academic year 2023-24 in state board schools for parity with other education boards. In a circular issued on Wednesday by the Director of Primary Education's Officer, all district primary education officers, district education committees, district education officers and administrative officers of all municipal corporations have been directed to spread awareness among playgroups to rule out any conflict situation among parents and these officers. The Gujarat government has decided to upgrade 50% of its total schools as schools of excellence. The plan is expected to cover 85%, which constitutes nearly 1 crore of the total students enrolled in the 40,000 government schools across Gujarat. Nearly 20,000 schools, including 15,000 primary and 5,000 secondary schools with an enrollment of 150 or more students, will be upgraded as schools of excellence to attract students from adjoining areas to these schools. The plan aims to bring down the number of non-viable schools. Earlier, the state government had planned to merge schools, but it could not be implemented due to opposition from various quarters. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.